mid-tier brand, if you will, in terms of streaming platforms. People that buy Rokus are like crazy about them and they refuse to use any platform but Roku. They're kind of psychotic about it. What is so special about Roku? Can you break down the features for this so people understand?
Sure, I would love to here. If you're familiar with the Amazon Prime Stick, which we've talked about, the Fire Stick that we've talked about before, this is very similar. This is it's just a USB that you plug into the back of your TV or your console, wherever it may be, and you can start loading apps onto it. Apps like Netflix, apps like Prime Video, apps like HBO, Hulu. You can even get live TV with Roku, Apple TV. Roku has their own channel, Google Play, Showtime. Any apps that you can get that you have memberships to or offer free memberships, you can get on your Roku. And how it works is it's literally just like a power button. You turn on the Roku, you go to your input selection that it's on, and then it just gives you all the options, just lays it out. If you want to watch Netflix, just click the Netflix button. It automatically logs you in. And it's really, really, really simple to use. And you're right. It's funny that you say that. Even more so, even though I personally prefer, I love Roku, but I prefer the Fire Stick. It seems like Roku's almost become like cultish in a good way. Like everybody who has Roku says like they're never going anywhere else but Roku.
It's total cult of Roku,
yeah.
dude. It's crazy. Like there's some YouTubers and influencers I watch that like swear by Roku, and they're like, I will not watch that TV show because it's not on my Roku. Put it on Roku now. And then whenever it drops on Roku, they're like, thank God. Now it's available to me. It was in a black hole until this moment. So I don't know, man. People really love the Roku experience.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.